Have you ever noticed that the people who look the richest aren't always the people who actually have the most money? A luxury car, designer clothes, the newest phone, a big house. From the outside, it looks like success. But appearances can be expensive. In fact, trying to look rich is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. Today, we'll explore the hidden cost of looking rich and why truly wealthy people often think very differently. 1. The status trap. Humans naturally compare themselves to others. When friends upgrade their car or post luxury vacations online, it's easy to feel like you're falling behind. That feeling pushes many people to spend money they hadn't planned to spend. The problem isn't the purchase itself, it's the reason behind it. If you're buying something to impress others, the satisfaction usually doesn't last. Soon, someone else has something newer, bigger, or more expensive. The cycle starts again. 2. Lifestyle inflation. Imagine you get a raise. Instead of saving or investing more, you upgrade your apartment, buy a newer car, and start eating out more often. Your income increases, but so do your expenses. Months later, you're earning more than ever, yet your bank account looks exactly the same. This is lifestyle inflation. It's one of the biggest reasons high-income earners still struggle financially. 3. The invisible millionaire. Many people imagine millionaires living flashy lifestyles, but research has found that many wealthy people live surprisingly ordinary lives. They often drive reliable cars, live below their means, avoid unnecessary debt, and invest consistently. Their wealth is invisible because it's stored in assets, not appearances. 4. Buy assets, not applause. Every dollar has two choices. It can buy something that loses value, or it can buy something that has the potential to grow. A luxury item may bring temporary excitement. An investment can continue working for years. The goal isn't to never enjoy your money. It's to make sure your purchases support your future, not just today's emotions. 5. Redefine success. Real wealth isn't about looking successful. It's about having choices, the freedom to handle emergencies, the ability to retire comfortably, the option to spend time with family instead of worrying about every paycheck. That's a kind of success no expensive purchase can replace. Conclusion. Looking rich and being rich are two very different things. One costs money, the other builds it. The next time you're tempted to buy something just to impress others, ask yourself one question. Am I buying this for my future or for someone else's opinion? That single question could save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Because the people who build lasting wealth don't spend their lives trying to look rich. They spend their lives becoming financially free.